My name's Giovanni, and I've been working at IPC for over 20 years. I'm here to tell you about our company, because I know it well. I've grown up in IPC, and it's where I like to come back to every morning. Our business is about the spaces around us, and the people who work every day to keep those environments clean and hygienic. We like to listen to our customers. We work with them and for them. Innovation, research, and respect for the environment help us find concrete solutions and answers based on their real needs. Our outstanding professionalism and our extensive distribution network have made us one of the leading groups worldwide in the manufacture of cleaning tools and equipment. Here in IPC, we believe that you can only truly call a place clean if it has been done with respect for nature and the greater environment. That's why we never get tired of finding innovative solutions that, every day, help us reduce the consumption of water and energy, and why we always use recyclable plastics. We've been doing it for 30 years. We offer a wide range of products, and they've proven their effectiveness in many applications. Urban spaces, public buildings, hospitals, restaurants, shopping centers, factories, and much more. We never stop working to improve. Our engineers are constantly experimenting with new materials and technologies to make our products more efficient. Our goal is to create effective and sustainable solutions. We are able to help all of our customers thanks to our vast selection of products, from manual equipment such as trolleys, ringers, squeegees and microfiber mopeds, to powered tools such as scrubbers, sweepers, vacuum cleaners and professional pressure washers. From necessity arise ideas, and ideas give birth to our products, which are 100% Italian. They are the result of the work of more than 1,000 cleaning experts. We design and manufacture every component, and we create innovative designs. We study their ergonomics and ease of use. We really care about people who put their trust in us every day. Each product, every tool and piece of equipment is subjected to rigorous testing to evaluate and calibrate its efficiency. Quality is very important to us. Our products must work hard and last long. Our warehouses are organized and automated, so we can reach customers all over the world quickly. We always work alongside customers, providing them with consistent and comprehensive support, from the organization of training courses, through technical and commercial product documentation, to websites designed to help them create the product they need. Customer satisfaction is fundamental for us. It is our commitment and pleasure to assist our customers with direct and constant support from our staff and with the help of our technical specialists. We love our products, which are born from technology and innovation, but most of all, from our experience and the passion that we put into what we do every day. Ours is a world of people, a clean world.